Hey everyone, welcome back to Sam's Tech Room. If you have been looking for a working way to get unlimited access to Claude Pro without paying for expensive monthly subscriptions, you landed on the exact right video. Today, I'm going to show you the only way to get Claude Pro completely for free. All you need is a working promo code, and then you can simply redeem it to get 1 year of Claude Pro, just like I'm showing on the screen. Before we jump straight into the tutorial, do me a quick favor, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you do not miss out on future tech deals and guides. Alright, let me show you how this works. Quick heads up, this process only works properly on mobile devices, so make sure you grab your smartphone right now. Open up Safari or Chrome and navigate to smartcoupons.cc. Double check the spelling on your screen to make sure you land on the right site. Once the page loads, tap the search bar at the top, type in Claude Pro, and open up the offer page. Here is why this works so well. The site releases a limited batch of official single-use promo keys every single day. Since each key only works once per user, they get claimed pretty fast on a first-come and first-served basis. A buddy of mine passed this along to me yesterday, and after I tested it and unlocked my account, I knew I had to record a quick video for you guys right away before today allocation runs out. To grab your code, simply tap the Show Coupon Code button. If a quick verification step pops up, do not worry, that is just a standard bot protection filter to prevent automated scripts from hoarding all the keys. Just follow the simple instructions on screen. Complete 2 quick free steps or app installs, and your full promo key will unlock automatically. Once your code is revealed, copy it, head over to the official Claude Redeem portal, and paste it in to activate your full 12-month Pro access. It really is that simple. If this tutorial helped you out, drop a comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.